This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit. I'm on the lesson Getting Properties. Let's see what we're doing. LED and buzzer control. This program operates the LED and buzzer, but it has some problems. Do this. Read the program to understand how it's supposed to work. Find and correct the bugs so that the program works properly. Alright, there's a lot of yellow here, but that's just because it has this event in here. We can ignore that for now. Oh, interesting. What's LED? Is there something over here called LED? So I think they got confused here because I believe what they just meant is the LED. But if you notice over here, it's just LED lowercase, which matters. So let's try that out. That looks better to me. I wonder, does any of this work right now? Oh. Oh, here we go. All right. Line 5, can't figure out what LED type is. On event LED type. Ah. What did they do? No, oh, they didn't put, so for the IDs, right, if you're trying to identify something over here, you need quotes around it, all right? And I think it said there was something wrong here. LED speed, yep, needs quotes. All right, let's see. What else do we got here? What's down here? Duration's good, change is good, play, buzzer. Oh, is there... Oh, toggle switch is open is not a function. So we need to, I'm going to go to text mode. They made this a function by putting toggle switch is open is not a function. It is going to be a normal if statement. Like that. There we go. That one's working. Let's reset and run. Is that, it looks alright. Oh, what was here? Let's, 19. T dot on. On event ID refers to buzzer frequency. Line 22. Buzzer frequency does not exist. Oh, maybe they just mean frequency, right? Because if I hit reset, yeah, frequency, I think. Let's run it now. T dot. Onboard event. Oh, nothing's called duration. Onboard event. Oh, they did this twice, right? On the event. So what I'm thinking, why is this a board event? We have an on event. So on the event of duration changing, on the event of frequency changing, it should just be an event from the screen. We aren't going to change the duration from the board, the chip itself. I'm getting rid of board. That seems to make more sense. Let's give this a try. Boop, boop. Oh, okay. Oh, and notice it does it when I release. Hopefully. Uh, oh, constant. Let's do blank. Oh, did we... Maybe... Oh, I need to press... Hmm. Ah, there we go. I'm supposed to use the toggle for the LED, which makes sense, because it says toggle switch. And we have a buzzer, too. Oh, that's really... Did we mix up... Nope. Okay. High frequency. Awesome. Let's keep going.